Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to bring you an update on Celsius Network, and of course if you are into the platform it will be very beneficial for you. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video, and let's get started. So basically, for you guys who are new to the channel and you do not know what is Celsius, basically Celsius Network is like a crypto bank which you can basically deposit funds, your crypto assets into their platform, and from there by doing so, you need to deposit more than $200. For the new users out there, deposit more than $200 using my referral link down below. You will receive a $30 in Bitcoin bonus. And after that, we are going to talk about what is Celsius Network. So basically, Celsius Network is a platform for you to deposit your crypto, and from there you earn interest rate off the crypto that is sitting around. Basically what they're doing is like the bank, totally the same. And how do they earn money is issuing loans, and from there people prepaying the loans, and of course they earn the interest rates. So over here you can see on the website itself there's a mass adoption coming soon. So I will believe that yes, basically this word Bitcoin and cryptocurrency has been very popular around the whole world, I would say. Many people are getting into cryptocurrency, and institution money is coming in, and of course more and more money is coming in, therefore the price of Bitcoin like flew up very fast. And after that basically we are gonna talk about how can you use Celsius Network and how do I use Celsius Network for. So I'm going to show you my account over here. So over here you can see I have some funds that is loaded onto Celsius Network, and after that you can see that mainly I have like Celsius token. Basically I was in Celsius Network for around 3 years or even 2 years plus. Basically since that day itself, when they started their crypto this Celsius earn in Celsius, and after that earn in a kind, basically you can opt for the option to earn in Celsius. Basically whatever coin you deposit in, every week's payout will be paid in Celsius Network token. Therefore I would say that I basically took a leap of faith with Celsius. Basically to my understanding, I'm not losing anything because I will deposit my funds in, and from there I'm generating another kind of fund, another kind of token, which is the Celsius token. And eventually that previously the token was like less than 10 cents, and after that eventually the price of Celsius right now is around $5, and I would say around $5.60. And after that basically all the holding and the payouts paid off. And after that basically what do I do, why do I store my funds here is basically if I'm not going to use my funds, might as well I just put it in somewhere which can generate me income, instead of putting it onto like a hardware wallet, if not a software wallet, and it is basically not doing anything. And of course you can see from here Bitcoin is at 6.2. All these rates over here you have seen is basically whatever you are earning in Celsius token. So if you do not want to earn in Celsius token for Bitcoin, which is 4.74, basically I'm going to show you the rates. Basically the rate is over here, we can look at it. So you scroll down, I'm going to show it to you. So over here on Celsius itself, if you are international users, Ethereum is at 5.05, the Celsius token is 4.86, and for Bitcoin is 4.74. And after that they accept lots of token, and after that you can see that those DeFi decentralized finance token, which are very popular, basically they are yielding like around 14%. So like basically DeFi's token is much more is giving out much more interest rate. And after that basically there's some like coins that is not being utilized as much, therefore the interest rate is very low. And after that this is all the coin that they are accepting, and I would say it's a huge variety. And after that this is basically like a bank, you can send your funds in. And after that right now for the existing user or the new user who feel like basically you want to promote Celsius Network like what I'm doing now, you can do it now. And after that the incentive for you is, I'm going to show it to you. So once you have signed up an account, you just head over to your profile and click on refer a friend, and after that from there you can have your unique link, and from there right now they are offering $30 in Bitcoin bonus. And after that, for whoever joins Celsius Network with your referral link, and after that on top of that you have to notify that whoever is signing up that basically you need to transfer at least $200 or more in crypto using your referral link, and after that on the sign up. And after that once you have done it, and basically once you transfer the $200 into the Celsius network, upon using the link and of course verification, you will be entitled to a $30 Bitcoin bonus, which will be unlocked in 30 days after the initial transfer. So within this 30 days period, you can deposit more funds, and eventually the amount will need to be sustained above $200, so you can withdraw and stuff like this, but it's not supported. I mean, I would say it's not recommended. And after that, if you are keen and you see this, get a $40 Bitcoin, $40 bonus in Bitcoin, just click on it. And after that, basically over here you can see there's a promo code WEB40. Basically what you can do over here is, once you have signed up with my referral link down below, this will entitle you with I would say $70 for free. Basically what you need to do is, if you are a new user and you please do not deposit any funds yet, because what you need to do is just sign up an account. On the sign up code you put my code, and after that, once you are in the account itself, you click on promo code, and after that you can enter the promo code WEB40 and you click on confirm. And after that, basically you see, if you made a transfer, it will prompt you already made your first transfer, and after that you are not eligible for this promo code. So what you need to do is very simple: sign up an account with my link, and after that, from there you will need to enter the promo code WEB40 on your account, which you can find over here. So click on this icon over here, click on my profile, and click on promo codes, and from there enter promo code, enter this promo code WEB40, and once you have entered it, you can start transferring funds. So to be safe, I would advise you to transfer more than $400 in holding, and after that, over here you can see minimum 200 will be transferred. So I do not know if the promotion is stackable. I mean, basically it's stackable because this is a promo code, so you can enter your promo code. And after that, if let's say you have somebody that referred you like me, you can enter my code and it will give you a bonus of $30. And after that, from there, if you enter the promo code WEB40, you will get additional $40. Basically, you are getting $70 in Bitcoin just by depositing, I would say, $400 in crypto. So I would advise you to, if you have $400 to spare, you can send in funds over here on Celsius and get a free $70 in Bitcoin. And after that, basically what I do with Celsius is very simple. Sometimes that I have like mining, because I'm into mining, and of course I'm also into trading. Therefore, I would say if you're interested in trading, you can head over to Bybit. They are having their promotion, which is a sure guaranteed price, which you can basically win by trading, and of course many more. And after that, if you are more interested in promotions, you can head over here to Phemex. Basically, they are having this deposit bonus up to $600 in bonus, which you can open up your position and stuff like this. So what I do with my funds is basically whatever I have traded, I would basically, if I make some profits, I will withdraw it, and after that I will store it in Celsius network. So I would say that over here it is my crypto bank. Instead of cashing out, I would just rather send it into Celsius and hedge for the future growth. And of course, basically that's the end of the video, and I hope you like it. So if you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification, and of course share this amazing video with your friends and family. And after that, basically earn lots of passive income. And after that, see you on the next one. Peace.